to study gas forum. Today we'll be looking at heat capacity. Heat capacity, as we have it here, say that heat capacity of a body is a quantity of heat required to raise its temperature by 1 degree. Each unit is joule per Kelvin. Now to calculate, the formula for calculation of heat capacity is H, where H stands for the heat capacity, equal to mass times specific heat capacity. So the next one is heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of a substance is a quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of the substance through 1 degree. So the basic thing is here, you can see that this other one has to do with the mass and the specific heat capacity, while this other one has to do with also the change in temperature, the increase in temperature of the specific heat capacity always deals with always consider the rise in temperature of a unit mass of a substance, but in the heat capacity is only dealing with what the specific heat capacity and the mass. And we have about 2 methods of calculating the specific heat capacity. One of the method is the mixture method. Like I said earlier, we have 2 methods, the mixture method and electrical method. In the mixture method, hot metal can be transferred, or hot liquid can be transferred to maybe a cooler one in order to at the end of that we consider the rise in temperature. From there we'll be able to calculate the heat capacity. For example, this is a source of heat, the quantity of heat, because we know that quantity of heat is always equal to mass, specific heat capacity, and what change in temperature. In that case, to calculate the heat change, the specific heat capacity with this formula here, we have what we can do here is quantity of heat, making C the subject of the formula, mass and change in temperature equal to C. So for the second one, electrical method, you know that current times voltage times time in seconds is equal to energy, and this other side of it, the mass, specific heat capacity of the substance times change in temperature is also, they are also equal. So being that we have this, if you have this information already given to you, we can also use it to calculate the specific heat capacity by making the C the subject of the formula. We will have C equal to mass and change in temperature. Now, in our next class, in fact, in the next clip that will be coming up here, we are going to apply this on, to show you how to do some of these calculations. Thank you so much, and make sure you watch the next video that's coming up. Thank you.